Why do you study English?
I study English because I need a second
Language.
language to help me get a job.
Get a job.
Uh-huh.
That pays.
And pay a high salary.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Keep going.
What do you expect from this class?
I expect to be better in translation when I am speaking.
Okay. In which areas of English do you want to work on or improve the most, and why?
I want to improve my translation skills more because I still don't understand
Well.
When I
am
reading.
English or communicating foreigners.
Communication with foreigners.
Communication with foreigners.
With foreigners. Very good. Okay. Which one? Communicating with foreigners.
Obviously, Mr. First.
Okay, good,
Okay.
good. Okay, hang on. Okay.
Right.
Uh-huh.
So, next question. How do you usually start with day? Remember at the beginning, firstly, and at the end, lastly, finally. Okay, because that way you're telling me I'm finished.
Okay.
Alright, you tell me when I'm starting.
Okay, start. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
How do you usually start your day?
I usually start my day with the following
Following
activities.
activities.
Firstly,
Firstly,
I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Next, I take a shower and then
dress.
dress for about 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Next, I have breakfast for about 10 minutes. I leave home for school at 7 o'clock. Finally, I arrive at school at 7:30 in the morning.
In the morning.
Good. Keep going.
Okay. Okay. What is the main challenge you face at school?
The main
Challenge.
Challenge.
facing me at school is Japanese exam because I don't memorize Japanese vocabulary.
Very good.
Right. Which subject do you think you are best at, and why?
I think I am better at
Physical.
education than other subjects
Okay, physical education. Then other subject. Because
because I have good skills in playing sports.
playing
Playing
sports. Okay.
I am always
Selected.
selected
As
as the representative
Representative. Okay.
of the class to compete
Against.
against
Against athletes.
athletes.
Against athletes.
athletes from other classes.
Classes.
Very good. Keep going.
Which subject do you think is the most difficult for you, and why?
I think mathematics is the most difficult subject for me because I don't memorize mathematical formulas and I don't know how to apply these formulas.
How to apply formula in calculations. Okay, right, so, good.
That's all,
Right,
right?
let's,
Okay, thank you very much. High five.
eh,
Okay.